Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So Epicure USA is launching soon. You are excited. You're probably wondering, do you have everything prepared for the launch? Do you have your most common questions answered, your most important questions answered? Do you have any questions? So obviously the first step is to sign up for your kit. Your kit takes about 1 to 2 weeks to get to you. It is an amazing kit. You get over $400 worth of product for approximately $175, and that includes tax and shipping, everything. So that's everything. So that's a pretty good deal. You might be wondering, well, how should I use my kit? Everybody's different. Epicure has made that kit and thought about that kit as best that they can. They have prepared everything for you to get started with your cooking classes. So when I bought the kit, I kept some things for myself. Actually, I kept almost everything for myself, but if I actually had purchased things already previously, because I was an Epicure customer before becoming a consultant, then I just sold the additional items that I did have, but I just kept everything for myself. I gave away samples when I had my cooking classes, like that type of thing. But utilize everything because it's an amazing kit. And look at all of those products too in that kit. And now you should be thinking about doing things like taking pictures, posting it all over your social media, because that's how people hear about things these days, is through social media. If you just simply post a picture of your kit and say, yay, my kit came in the mail, I'm so excited, and that's it, people will be watching that. And then the next time you post something, you might post something, you made chicken in your steamer, post that, and then they'll go, she's posting a lot about food lately. You know, the odd person, or I shouldn't say the odd person, but there are people out there that might go, oh geez, I've been thinking about eating healthier. This person's been posting a lot about healthy food lately. Maybe she's thinking about eating healthier too. Maybe I can ask her questions. That's how things get started, because once you do start posting, not even selling necessarily, but once you start posting, people are like, oh, well, she's into healthy eating. Maybe I can ask her questions. Maybe we can talk together. Maybe she has some dinner ideas we can bounce off of each other, because that's the most amazing thing about Epicure is, and I've said this a lot before, sorry if I sound like I'm saying the same things, but everybody loves to eat, or everybody has to eat. I should say that everybody has to eat. So why not make eating more enjoyable? Make food at home, save money so you don't have to eat out, always make something different. And that's just kind of how everything gets started, and then they can come to you, because a lot of people will be saying to you, so what's Epicure? What's the big deal about this Epicure thing? Like, why don't I just go to the store to buy my, seasonings and everything? Like, what's the big deal? Tell them, well, Epicure is just so much better, because there's nothing artificial in there, nothing. So those seasonings and spices, everything is a lot healthier for you. Everything's sugar conscious, sodium conscious. Even some have no sugar, some have no sodium. My husband's on the keto diet. So, well, he's not right now, but he was, and then he'll be going on it. But they have to really watch their carbs. So Epicure makes that diet easy too, because a lot of things are low carb. So that just helps make things easier for the ones that cook in the family. Epicure is a no-brainer. Everything is also made in a nut-free facility. So if people are allergic to nuts, which these days a lot of people are, unfortunately, moms, dads don't feel bad about buying Epicure because they know it is made in a safe environment. Non-GMO, I could go on. Just Epicure's amazing, right? So that's just kind of one place to get started. But keep posting pictures. If you make something for lunch, dinner, breakfast, dessert, it doesn't matter. Post pictures. Show people sort of what your expertise is, and that will be cooking. And people will start to see that. What else do I want you guys to prepare for? But if you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. I did do a live chat on the Facebook group 2 days ago. I'll probably be doing one again just before we launch in a couple weeks, I guess, and then just afterwards too. But if you are a part of that group, you can be a part of the whole, question, answer, everything. So do not hesitate to be a part of that so that you don't have to think, okay, I have a million questions. I don't know what to ask. That's a good place to start. And honestly, you guys, you have nothing to lose, because even if you sign up for the kit, you don't end up selling anything. You have nothing to lose because you get all of those products, $400 plus stuff for only $175, and that includes taxes, shipping, everything. But I am here to help you sell, okay? So I am here to kind of train you all from that person who says, I have never sold anything in my life. I don't want to push people. I don't know how to do this, but I'm excited. I would like to hold cooking classes, because that sounds like a lot of fun. And if I can make money from those cooking classes, wow, like that's a lot more exciting than having to go to work 9 to 5. I have team members who are like, I want to quit my job. So Epicure is helping me get one step towards that. So they're kind of doing it part-time now, but they want to do it. They want to do like a cooking class 2 or 3 times a week to make it a full-time income, or more. I have teammates who say, well, I just kind of want to do this part-time because we don't have any extra money. So Epicure helps us get some extra money and then some, plus it's a lot of fun. So for back to school, shopping, for Christmas shopping, you will not have to ever say, well, we just don't have enough. Epicure is awesome in just allowing you that additional income, because everything you do sell, you make, 20, 25% commission, like depending on what level you are at, but that's a long story for another day. But at least that though, right? So everything you sell, you make a commission for extra money, and you get paid within a couple days afterwards. So you don't have to wait like a month to get paid, right? Which is so nice. I started Epicure just because I wanted the kit, because I wanted everything in the catalog. It just made sense to get the whole kit. And then people started coming to me like, oh, I see you're posting on social media. What's this Epicure stuff? Like, it looks really, really good. Like, I don't want to sell, but I just want to buy some Epicure stuff from you. I'm like, yeah, you know what? Sure. What do you want? I would talk them into hosting a cooking class. That's how things got started. They would invite people over, and then all of them said, wow, Epicure is awesome. I would like to buy stuff too. So it's just kind of all word of mouth. And that's how I started making money from Epicure. And I didn't even mean to, but it just kind of kept on going from there. And then on a personal level, I love teaching people. Like I love teaching and training people. So when I have new team members, that's the exciting part for me, even more than selling Epicure, is I love teaching and training all of you guys to sell and make an income. So that's kind of exciting for me too, because quite often, people do sell Epicure, obviously, but they're like, well, I don't know how to train or teach people. I'm not interested in that. Thank you for being a part of my team, but reach out to this and this person though, because I don't really know how to train you. And that is totally okay. But I love to teach. I love to train, so I can help all of you guys. So yeah, Epicure USA, you guys, is coming. The pre-launch has been here. The full launch is coming, meaning you can start to take orders and sell, sell, sell. And there will be, I am sure, so many challenges for everybody to win some additional product. I know when I first signed up, if you had a certain number of cooking classes, which you will all have the same thing, you can win more product. You can win back the price of your kit, and there will be so much more. A little tip, you guys, for Christmas time, there is always amazing things. Epicure sells amazing like holiday collections not offered in the catalog. Things go on sale like 75% off. So if I can say this, Save up some money now because you will want everything. Plus, again, Christmas is coming. Buy Epicure for people. Buy those holiday packages, which again, you didn't hear that from me. You will all find that out soon enough. Buy those holiday packages for people, because once people try Epicure, they want more. You are all probably the same, right? Once you have your kit and you started trying things, you're like, oh my God, this is so good. Right? So that's how it happens. So let me know if you have any questions. I will leave the link to the Facebook group on the bottom. I will leave the link if you would like to sign up. Also, if you would like to talk to me, ask me questions before you actually sign up, that's okay. Ask me tons of questions, you guys. I love questions. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very, very soon.